Ready for a Valentine's sweet treat? This moist, no-bake chocolate cake AIP version will be a decadent dessert to sweeten up our month of love. Stay until the end for 2 more surprise AIP treats that are just as simple and easy. Salute everyone! What's cooking? Welcome to AIP Limitless Recipes. Since chocolate out of cacao is eliminated in the elimination phase of the autoimmune protocol, our direct alternative is carob, which is an edible pod from the carob tree, often dried, roasted, and broken down into flour or powder just like cacao. It has a similar taste to chocolate, but it comes with its unique, somewhat lighter in flavor profile of sweet and mild. So it requires less sweetener when used than cacao. And it doesn't contain caffeine, so it can be enjoyed in beverages, candies, or desserts anytime. Practically a great substitute anywhere that calls for chocolate. Definitely the AIPers' chocolate aficionado best friend. Our first surprise treat is the carob-dipped strawberries. We need a few pieces of strawberries, washed and dried. To make our dip, we mix equal parts of the organic carob powder to oil. I am using the organic carob powder, lightly roasted Terrasol Superfoods brand, which I bought from Amazon, and I will put the link down in the description box below for you to check it out. And if you purchase from the link, I will get a commission at no extra cost to you. It will be a sweet incentive to be inspired and keep going. For 9 pieces of strawberries, we can do a 1/4 cup of oil. In this case, I'm using the organic grass-fed, grass-finished beef tallow due to its high melting point than avocado oil, where it remains liquid in cooler temperatures. Also, the link for the beef tallow in Amazon is down below. Or an alternative will be coconut oil if that's easily accessible. Into a small bowl, put a 1/4 cup of beef tallow to melt into the microwave for 30 to 45 seconds. Add more time if necessary. Then, we slowly add a 1/4 cup of the carob powder and stir and mix it well. Look at this rich chocolate-like intense color. And to tell you the truth, the flavor is not too far off from the cacao chocolate. Once smooth and well combined, we can now dip the strawberries. How gorgeous! And refrigerate to enjoy later. Coming right up is our star dessert, the no-bake chocolate cake AIP version. We use 8 to 9 small sweet potatoes. Cook it by boiling or steaming for about 30 to 45 minutes under medium heat. Once sweet potatoes are cooked, we set it aside to cool down. And we can prepare our melted carob by making the following into a medium mixing bowl. 1 1/2 cup of melted beef tallow. 1 1/2 cup of carob powder. We mix this well to combine. Then, we can mash the sweet potato into a separate bowl. And scoop 3 cups of mashed sweet potatoes into another bowl. Add 3 tablespoons of maple syrup. Mix well to combine. Then on the bowl of the melted carob chocolate, we will slowly add the mashed sweet potato and maple syrup mixture. Mix well. Transfer into a cake mold or pan. And refrigerate. Only when we're ready to serve, then we will prepare the icing of the cake. To prepare the icing, we will use 1/2 cup of the avocado oil, 1/2 cup of carob powder. Mix and scoop to layer on top of the cake. Top it with the fruit, usually berries. I have here strawberries. And and sprinkle some Carob chocolate shavings. For our second bonus recipe, it will be a drink to complement our dessert, and it's the Chocolate Swirl Strawberry Smoothie. Into the blender, we put 1 ripe banana, 1 cup coconut milk, a 1/4 cup coconut vanilla yogurt, 2 cups of frozen strawberries, 1½ tablespoons of honey. Blend until smooth and creamy. And then for our chocolate swirl, I will be using the cake frosting left over from earlier, or prepare equal parts of the avocado oil and the carob powder. We swirl the melted chocolate carob powder into the glass for our smoothie using a frother wand, or use the spoon to swirl the carob chocolate. Then we will pour our strawberry smoothie. Isn't this pretty? There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Our sweet treat full of love. Carob-dipped strawberries, no-bake chocolate cake AIP version, and our chocolate swirl strawberry smoothie. May your hearts be glad and full of love this Valentine's Day. Until next week, be healed and be blessed. Ate Logo!